So, hello everyone, welcome back to our engineering up channel. So, in this video, we're going to create the MCP server that will run our MCP test for us. So, in previous video, we have created this get page method and the close browser method. So, in this video, we are going to connect this method with our MCP tools. So, for that, we have to create one tool. Just go to tool and click on new file. Okay, just click on tool, click on new file and provide the name as open website.ts. And in that website, we have to write some, in that file, we have to write some code. We have to import some libraries. So first, let's import a browser manager. And in that, we have to write one function that is a open website. And in that function, we are calling the get page method of the browser manager class, and we're just opening the URL, and we are just returning the response like success URL and tagged. Okay, so after that, we just have to do some changes in our server.typescript file. Just remove this code that we had added in our previous video and add the actual code to run our tool. So in that, we have first import this MCP server, then server, and we also have to import our MCP open website tool. So here we're getting some error. Let's fix it with the help of GitHub Copilot. So I asked it to fix it and just trying to fix it for me. We did. Just so we don't have any error now in our code. Now let's create one server, the MCP server, then the name of the server is playwright-ai-agent. Okay. So, and the version is 1.0.0, 1.0.0, right? And after that, we have to register our tool with this MCP. So, for that server, to register tool, and that tool name is open website. Is the tool description, title, and here we're returning some content that we are getting from the open website function. Okay, so after that, we have to add code to start our server. So for that, just create one function that is a start server. So let's add the code for that. So start server, and in that we have to call one class studio SDET, so server transport. So here we are getting some error. So we need to fix it. It's because we have not imported one library that is required to call use this class in our server .tscript. So let's add a thing. Let's import it. Okay, so import server transport, and it's from the studio.js. Right. So now let's try to test. Wait. So before that, we have to create one index.ts file, and in that index.ts file, we have to mention that we have to start our execution from this server.typescript file. Okay. So at runtime, our MCP server will understand that execution will start from this server.ts file. So let's go to our server folder and add one index.ts file. So in that index.ts file, let's add a code that is required /server. So it will run our server.ts file, and we run our MCP tool. Okay, so let's run this index.ts file. So you should get the response that MCP server has started. So now go to the new terminal and check the version of our MCP Inspector. So currently we have 1.3.1.30.0 MCP is installed in my system. So now let's run our MCP Inspector. So now it should open my MCP Inspector in the browser. So now the MCP Inspector has started and it has opened my MCP Inspector in my browser. But here we don't see our Playwright MCP tool. So for that you just have to click on the add server, provide the server theme as a playwright-ai-agent, and you have to provide it without the spaces. Keep the transport as a SDET, that is for the local process, and provide the tool name as npx, and we have to provide some arguments. So here we have to provide argument as a tsx, and the command, the file name, the server.ts, and below that we have to provide working directory. So here the working directory of our local project folder, and just click on the add, and now let's try to connect it to our MCP server. So here we are getting some error that, and it's saying that it has created one log file and we can direct all the details in that log file. I think I know why we are getting this issue. So let's try to edit our MCP server. So in the argument section, we have to provide each command in new line. So it's saying one argument line. Okay. So let's save it and just clear this log and just try to connect it again. Okay, so now our MCP server is connected to our tool. So now go to tool. Here we are getting one tool that is an open website. So let's test it. So here let's copy the Google website and just execute the tools. So as you can see, you are getting some success response here, the URL and the title of that page. So now we have successfully created one MCP Playwright MCP server. So that's it for the today's video. In next video, we're going to see how to connect this MCP tool with our Copilot, that Copilot Studio agent. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to it. Yeah, and thank you.